Hello everyone, welcome to Auto Engage. Today you might be wondering what I'm doing in this lift. We have actually protected this lift with our Secure Shield paint protection film. We have finished these panels. So this has all been protected. This is the difference between the paint protection film which is applied here. We are yet to do this panel also. So now we will show you how this is being done, and we will also show you the end result. So we can also protect any surface with the paint protection film. It also gives it a good look, protects against minor scratches, and also will help against the self-healing to maintain the finish of your lift. So if you want to maintain your lifts and protect your investment, please do reach out to us. We are here for such kind of innovative projects also.